Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you friends? Hope you all are fine. In this video we are going to show you a very interesting, beautiful, gorgeous, outstanding and very creative party outfit collection. Beautiful, gorgeous mother of the bride dresses designs. Luxury fashion is more than beautiful dresses and elegant fabrics. It is a reflection of confidence, ambition, creativity, and modern lifestyle. In today's world, women are embracing classy fashion that looks timeless, graceful, and sophisticated instead of following short term trends that quickly disappear. Elegant evening gowns, stylish party dresses, bridesmaid dresses, and mother of the bride fashion are becoming more popular than ever because women want to feel confident, beautiful, and refined at every special event. From rich satin textures and sparkling embellishments to soft natural colors and flowing silhouettes, every elegant outfit creates a powerful fashion statement that feels luxurious and unforgettable. Fashion has become a way for women to express personality, self respect, and confidence while creating memorable moments during weddings, celebrations, formal dinners, and important occasions. The digital fashion industry is creating endless online business opportunities for content creators, fashion influencers, designers, and boutique owners around the world. Millions of people search online every day for wedding outfit inspiration, luxury dress trends, styling ideas, beauty aesthetics, and classy fashion collections because fashion content is highly visual, entertaining, and emotionally inspiring. YouTube channels that focus on elegant dresses, luxury styling, timeless fashion trends, and sophisticated women's outfits often attract audiences interested in shopping, beauty, wedding, and premium lifestyle products. This makes the fashion niche highly valuable for advertisers, online stores, and luxury brands, leading to stronger CPM rates and better earning opportunities for creators who consistently upload high quality content. Many successful online business today started from simple fashion videos, aesthetic outfit inspiration, and creative styling ideas shared through social media platforms. Timeless, elegant never goes out of style because true fashion is built on confidence, simplicity, and grace rather than temporary attention. Modern women are now choosing quite luxury, classy minimalism, and sophisticated fashion that feels polished, expensive, and naturally beautiful. The most admired outfits are often those that combine elegance with comfort and confidence in the most effortless way. Fashion trends may change every year, but classic style continues to remain powerful because it represents self confidence, maturity, and refined beauty. Whether it is a glamorous wedding event, an elegant engagement party, or a luxurious evening celebration, the perfect dress can create unforgettable memories and inspire confidence that shines brighter than any trend. Elegant fashion is not simply about appearance, it is about carrying yourself with grace, positivity, and timeless beauty in every age of its life. It's a very beautiful, unique, highly demanding, and very creative, trending, and latest party outfit collection. Most beautiful, stylish, different ideas. Very beautiful and trendy, different, outstanding collection. And keep watching, keep supporting, keep promoting my channel because we need your support. It's a very beautiful, amazing, latest, outstanding designs, beautiful, gorgeous women fashion articles, different collection, different designs. And do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. It's all dresses is very beautiful, very unique, very stylish. New York collection, beautiful designer articles, designer dress collection, outstanding big designer articles, big designer dress collection. Most beautiful, most demanding collection. So keep watching, keep supporting, keep promoting my channel because we need your support. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. Like this. This one is a very creative, very outstanding and very beautiful designer articles. Beautiful designer dress. So keep watching, keep supporting, keep promoting my channel because we need your support. This one is a very beautiful, amazing, latest designs and beautiful, gorgeous, luxurious and trending and demanding collection. Like this. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for support my channel. And it's a very beautiful, highly demanding and very creative collection. You can buy this dress light in the box, Shein and Temu and Amazon and jjshouse.com, especially jjshouse.com. You can buy this dress and please give a review and give a feedback. Hope you like all ideas and collection. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. And do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Please give a feedback.